Oasis is a type 1 collagen. It is the most abundant collagen in the human body, mirroring the essence of our own structural integrity. Harvested sustainably from the ocean's depths, it presents itself as a beacon of purity and vitality. By integrating this natural marvel into our daily regime, we support our body's foundational elements, nurturing our skin, bones, and connective tissues towards radiant health. It's a gesture of kindness to ourselves, allowing our inner beauty and strength to flourish organically. The benefits of Oasis extend far beyond its physical attributes. It's a catalyst for personal growth and self-care. Embracing this natural supplement can enhance skin hydration and elasticity, promoting a youthful glow that reflects our inner vitality. It supports joint health, encouraging us to move freely and embrace life's adventures with ease and joy. Moreover, by choosing a path of natural healing, we align with the holistic principles that advocate for the interconnectedness of our well-being. Let this journey with Oasis be a guiding light towards wellness, empowering you to live a balanced, vibrant life, where every step is in harmony with nature's wisdom.